In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create graphs in Framer. We'll start by opening the Common Ninja dashboard, since that's where the graph will be created before bringing it into Framer. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. In the search area, type Charts and Graphs so you can quickly find the correct widget, then select Create a Chart to open the editor. From here, begin customizing the graph content. First, edit the main title so your chart clearly communicates what the data is about. After that, add a description. This is helpful for giving viewers or site visitors a little more context, especially if the graph is presenting trends, comparisons, or summary information. Next, click Edit Chart Data. This is the part where you can adjust the actual chart information, and if needed, you can also change the chart type to better match the kind of data you want to show. Once your updates are in place, click Apply Changes so the preview updates correctly. After reviewing everything, click Save Changes. You'll then be asked to choose a project to assign the chart to. Select the project you want, and then click Save Changes again to confirm and store everything properly. With the chart saved, click Copy Code. This copies the embed code you'll use inside Framer. Now switch over to Framer and open the project where you want the graph to appear. Click the plus icon to insert a new element. Go to Utility, then drag and drop the embed element onto the canvas. Once the embed is selected, click HTML. If needed, scroll down to the embed type setting and change it to HTML so Framer is ready to accept the code properly. Finally, paste the copied code into the HTML field and press Enter to apply it. Your graph should now appear inside your Framer project. If the size or placement needs adjustment, you can fine-tune it directly on the canvas after the embed loads.